So cutting out the silences from your video can be really long process and time consuming, especially if you have a long video that you want to cut out silence from. Well, not anymore, because in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to do exactly that, how to cut out silences from your video for free on autopilot. So if that sounds interesting, keep watching. All right, guys, welcome back. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to this link, Auto Editor. This tool is Auto Editor and it's on GitHub. I'll link to it in the description. So you scroll down and you will see this pip install Auto Editor, and to install it you need to have Python installed on your computer. So to do that, you just click on the installation for additional information right here, and we have this instruction on how to install it. So the first thing you want to do is to download and install Python. So let's open up a new tab and Python, and here we click to install Python. I already have it on my desktop, so let's replace it. All right, so you want to install Python, and let's double click to open it. So the most important thing, you want to make sure you add Python exe to path. This is very important. You want to make sure to add it to path. All right, so you just follow whatever I'm doing. Okay, add to path, and then click on install now, and that's going to install Python. All right, so setup was successful and Python is already installed. So to make sure Python is installed on our computer, you want to open CMD and search for Python/version. And you want to check the version, and that gives us the result, and which means Python is already installed on a computer. So next, after we installed Python, now we want to upgrade Python if there is any upgrade version. So you want to open CMD again, and you type this command right here, and to check if there is any upgrade. So requirement already satisfied, which means we already upgraded because we just downloaded the latest version. So next you want to install the auto editor. So you just want to copy this command right here, and then you go back and copy it right here to install the auto editor. And that will take a second to install it, and successfully installed auto editor. Then if you want to make sure the auto editor successfully installed, you want to copy this command right here and then paste it right here, and you will see the information. If that does it, then congratulations, you have successfully installed auto editor. Next, what you want to do is, if you want to cut the silences, you can use this command. Of course, you want to replace the path of the video with the path of the video on your computer, and also the name of the video right here. But that's not what we're going to do. I'm going to be showing you how to cut out silences and export it to an XML folder. That way we can have the ability to go and edit the video if we don't like the cuts. But for this, if you use this command, you can do so, but it's just going to render the video within the auto editor app. So that is not the recommended way. Anyway, so if you want to export the video to an XML folder, then follow what I'm doing. So we go back to the link right here, and then we scroll down to see this command right here. You see here, if you want to export to editors, you can export to Final Cut, Shotcut, and also Premiere. Also, if you have a Sony Vegas or DaVinci Resolve, you can use the same as Premiere option. All right, guys, so if you want to export the video as an XML folder, you want to copy this command right here. So we'll copy that, but you want to change this to the name of your video file. So in this case, I have already created a folder with this video. It's called MKV. So we want to CMD to the video from here, CMD, and then that will open the command line right here. And then we paste the command right here, but we want to change this example.mp4 to the name of our video. In this case, my video is called cam.mkv, and then you hit enter, and that will automatically extract the video as an XML folder, as you can see right here. So it's XML folder altered cam-alter.xml. Again, if you want to extract it to Final Cut Pro, you can use this command, or for Shotcut, you can use this command. So what I want to do in this case, I want to bring it to my video editor. In this case, I'm using DaVinci Resolve, and it works both on DaVinci Resolve, Sony Vegas, and Premiere Pro. All right, so let's open up DaVinci Resolve and import the video. All right, guys, so here's DaVinci Resolve. So to bring the XML folder to DaVinci Resolve, what we got to do here, you click on the media pool, right click, and timelines, and import, and then you select this one, or you can use this shortcut Control Shift and I. So you want to open up this. So I'm already in the desktop. This is the test, and this is the XML folder right here. So you click and open it, and then you adjust the settings right here. If everything looks fine, then you just click OK, and that will bring the edited version, just you can see right here. So there are a lot of cuts, and cut out the video at around 5 minutes out of 8 minutes, the original video. So if you don't like the edited video and you want to extend the silence even more, you can do so by going back to the page right here, and you can actually take the time to read the guide right here. And if you want to have some margin right here, so you just have this command again, same thing, and you will add 0.2 seconds margin before you cut out the silence. All right, guys, so this is how you cut out silences with the auto editor. And by the way, guys, if you don't like this method using the command line, they also have an app. So if you want to use the app, you just click on the app, and that will open up the app, and they will have the GUI environment, as you can see it right here, which is easier for some people if you don't like the command line. So you just buy the app, and which is $35, which is not much as compared to other editing tools that use the same idea. All right, guys, so this is it. This is how you cut out silences from your video. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch our video. If this was helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel, as this is gonna help me a lot. Thank you so much again, and I'll see you next time. God bless.